Hey there, mathematicians. After you've finished part 1, you are now ready for part 2. For part 2, you're going to click on this link, and then you're going to make a copy of the document. Once you've made a copy, you'll want to, as always, change your name and move it to your math folder. So you'll click on the top here right before FAIR, and you'll delete all of this and type in your name. And then you'll click outside and tap on the folder to move it to your folder. Once you've moved it there, you are ready to begin. For this activity, you're going to look at a bunch of different story problems. And your job is to decide, is this a measurement problem or a fair share problem? So as we look at this first problem here, we can see that it says, an airline has 86 guests flying on an airplane to Boston. 3 people can sit in each row of the airplane. The airplane has 34 rows. Will there be enough seats for all of the guests to have a seat for their trip to Boston? Your job is to not solve this problem yet, but decide, is this a measurement problem or a fair share problem? Remember, with fair share, we're splitting groups equally. With measurement, we're taking out groups of a number in order to decide how many different groups there's going to be. Here we're figuring out how many groups there are. Here we're determining how many are in each group. So I think about this problem, there's 86 guests, and I know that 3 people can sit in each row, so that tells me how many is in each group. And we're going to be subtracting 3 at a time from 86. So that is measurement, because we're trying to decide how many groups there are. You're going to go through and continue doing that with the rest of the problems here. Once you get to this page, that means you're finished. Congratulations, and you're ready to go back to your unit of study page and start part 3. There will be a video here giving you directions. Have fun, and remember that a measurement type of problem is when we don't know how many groups there are, but we know how many are in each group. And fair share is when we know how many groups there are, but we don't know how many are in each group. So be thinking about that as you look at these different problems. Have fun. And I'm so proud of all the work you're doing with division, and we can't wait to see you grow more and more.